Air Products, Pharma-grade and technical gas solutions. Are you still selecting your partners and suppliers based purely on cost, or perhaps on their ability to adapt to your business and who are willing to share their expertise? At Air Products, we take the time to understand your needs, so you can focus on what you do best, developing medicines and drugs that can change someone's life for the better. Let us help you improve your environmental sustainability, your productivity, your product quality, and ensure safety performance. At Air Products, we offer pharmaceutical-grade and technical gas solutions to help you drive innovation, maintain competitiveness in the market, and comply with regulations, pharmacopoeias, and environmental directives. We ensure traceability and validated quality assurance for everything we supply, helping to make your life as easy as possible. When it comes to environmental sustainability at Air Products, we endeavour to minimize the impact of our operations and products, enabling our customers to do the same. We have set specific goals to reduce emissions, and we continuously evaluate and strive to mitigate potential environmental impacts. We have developed sustainable technologies for our customers in the pharmaceutical and biotechnology industries, from cryogenic cooling technologies that maintain precise temperature profiles, to gas solutions to enable culture growth, inerting for the safety of your facility, solvent abatement and wastewater treatment technologies, and more. At Air Products, we understand your drive to deliver products that improve people's quality of life. Contact us now. Our experts are here for you